How practicing mindfulness can improve our well being in today's fast paced and stressful world. It can be challenging to maintain a sense of well being and balance in our daily lives. However, practicing mindfulness can be an effective way to improve our quality of life and enhance our overall well being. Firstly, mindfulness can help us manage stress and anxiety. When we practice mindfulness, we learn to focus on the present moment and let go of worries about the past or future. This can help us feel more calm and centered and less likely to experience stress and anxiety. Additionally, mindfulness can help us develop a greater sense of self awareness, which can help us identify and manage the sources of stress in our life. Secondly, mindfulness can improve our physical health. When we practice mindfulness, we learn to pay attention to our bodies and become more aware of our physical sensations. This can help us identify and address physical symptoms of stress and anxiety, such as muscle tension and headaches. Additionally, mindfulness can help us develop healthy habits such as regular exercise and healthy eating, which can improve our overall health and well being. Thirdly, mindfulness can improve how we interact with other people. When we practice mindfulness, we learn to listen more attentively and communicate more effectively. This can help us build stronger and more meaningful relationships with friends, family, and romantic partners. Additionally, mindfulness can help us become more compassionate and empathetic, which can enhance our connections with others and lead to greater feelings of happiness and fulfillment. Lastly, mindfulness can provide us with a greater sense of purpose and meaning in life. When we practice mindfulness, we become more aware of our thoughts, feelings, and values. This can help us identify our passions and goals and pursue them with greater clarity and intention. Additionally, mindfulness can help us connect with a greater sense of purpose and meaning, which can enhance our overall sense of well being and fulfillment. In conclusion, mindfulness and quality of life are closely intertwined. Practicing mindfulness can help us manage stress and anxiety, improve our physical health, enhance our relationships with others, and provide us with a greater sense of purpose and meaning in life. It is important that we prioritize our mental well being and incorporate mindfulness into our daily lives.